As a brand new brand series, Kaiyuan A07 adopts a brand new brand logo and a new design language, bringing people a brand new visual effect. The design style of the new car is different from the other series models of Changan Group. The overall design of Fuguang Design is simple and dynamic. It is equipped with frameless electric suction doors, concealed electric door handles and an unlimited panoramic canopy. The materials used are in place to create a sense of texture and technology. With surround sky concert hall, 2.5K ultra-high definition floating large screen, dedicated entertainment area and other configurations, technology creates an immersive audiovisual feast. The new model positioning brought more options to the market. The design of Kaiyuan A07 adopts the aesthetic concept of Fuguang Design. It not only has a smooth and stretched low body, but also has an elegant back slide design that looks very advanced. The faceplate has a closed design and the cover slides down quickly in a diving stance, which can provide a strong sense of movement. The headlight adopts a penetrating design and adopts the light wing style, and the shape of the lamp is indeed somewhat similar to the spreading wings. The side design is also quite simple. In fact, there is only one waistline and the dynamic stance of the whole vehicle is created more with the change of the curved surface. As an electric car, due to the addition of battery, the whole car will look more or less thicker than a fuel car. Similarly, if there is no other decoration on the whole side, it is just paint and the appearance will be thicker, and A07 will reduce the visual effect at the bottom of the side and designed an arch that would make the proportions more coordinated. A07 also has frameless electric suction doors. The visual effect is very beautiful. The second half adopts a very nice scrollback design. The tail design is also relatively simple. The highlight is the upturned duck tail. The hatchback tailgate and this car also use a hatchback tailgate design that is not only beautiful in shape but also practical with a large opening and supports custom opening heights. The entire interior design concept revolves around the floating island design, including the door handle and the location under central control, which resembles islands and can bring a sense of technology to the interior design. The A07 has cancelled the design of the instrument cluster and replaced it with AR HUD, and the display effect is still clear enough, and very comprehensive content such as vehicle speed, navigation information, lane information can be displayed in the interior. The minimalist design is very meticulous in workmanship and materials. You can see a large area of brushed metal decorative panels in the car, and it is very difficult to make this kind of texture. The car has a total of 16 loudspeakers, including 2 headrest speakers, and is equipped with a ceiling surround sound system for the first time and has many modes to choose from. In front of the suspended island, in the middle, there are 2 positions for mobile phones to be placed, while the position to the side of the main drive supports wireless charging. The A07 car also adopts the more popular gearshift design today and also integrates driving assistance functions. The central control screen uses a 15.4-inch screen with 2K resolution, which can meet the daily entertainment needs. The color of the car model can be changed in the car machine interface. It not only supports the original factory 5 colors, but also supports custom colors. The new car will offer extended range hybrid and pure electric versions for consumers' choice. The range extended version will use a 1.5 L Atkinson cycle engine model JL473QJ, with a maximum engine power of 70 kilowatts and a maximum of 160 kilowatts, consistent with the existing Deep Blue SL03 range extended version. The pure electric version is equipped with the XTDM27 model. The maximum power of the drive motor is 190 kilowatts.